Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to reset app preferences on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. And system, okay, you can see the reset option, okay, tap this. And reset option, okay, you can see the reset app preferences, okay, tap the reset app preferences. And the pop-up are show now, reset app preferences. This will reset all preferences for disable apps notification, default application for actions, backup data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions, and you will not lose any app data. And okay guys, to reset app preferences, you'll have to do is tap the reset apps button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset app preferences on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.